yung teriyaki na hindi ko ma-explain. Nakapula ko na sa pagka-dark. Cheers for akin naman! Hello everyone! Welcome to our new special food trip episode with collaboration with Nisha Snack Bar. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank Vloggers Philippines, the starter community for every content creator. And also to Sir Dan, who helps or lead the group to be motivated, be inspired, and become better in our own niche. We are
Vloggers Philippines.
Vloggers Philippines.
Be one of us.
Be one of us.
Nisha Snack Bar is located at Mindanao Avenue, Tandang Sora, Quezon City, and we're called affordable but best wings in town. We will find that out today. They only recently started and already opened other branches at Sangandaan, Bagong Bantay, and Fairview due to high demand. No doubt, they can really compete even with those pioneering in the same line of business. Their delivery is available via in-house, GrabFood, Foodpanda, and even Lala Food. And we'd love to see you join this October 8 to experience their unlimited wings, fries, rice, and drinks for only 199 pesos. See you there!
Go!
Ay, sorry. Hello buddies! Nandito na yung mga food natin, so let's start digging in. By the looks of it, as we can see, medyo parang hindi na siya crunchy kasi dumating siya at 4 p.m. here at UP Bliss, and as of now, it's, what time is it?
8 p.m.
It's 8 p.m. So, kailangan pa kasi natin mag-prepare and everything, so, yun. So, as we can see, meron siyang drumlet and tinatawag nilang wingman. Hinati siya ng 2 parts, yung wings. So, hindi pala siya wingman. So, ito pala yung drumlet, yung part ng wings. And ito yung, yeah.
Or drumstick.
Drumstick or drumlet. Kasi maliit, so, let.
Oh.
Then ito yung wings. Wingman or yung flat. Parang literally flat siya kasi. Kaya, tinatawag nilang flat. So, yung drumstick, medyo matigas siya. Pag tinitignan mong hihiwalay siya dun sa bones, hindi siya masyadong tender. Pero if we're gonna look at the flat wings, kita niyo yun? Kita mo? Kita niyo? Wow. Medyo dry. Actually, it's dry type of wings of chicken.
What?
Dry type of chicken.
So there's wet type.
No, there's no wet type. There's a juicy type.
So hindi siya nakadepende sa luto. It depends on the chicken.
Maybe.
Okay.
Ano ba? Kinokontra mo ba ako? Part yun ng video.
Depends.
Okay. Pero this is affordable chicken wings. Kaya, don't expect much. Pero based sa price, ha? How much? Meron silang iba-ibang promo. So, if you want to know about their promos and price, keep on watching. So, yun yung chicken natin is a golden brown. Ayun, golden brown. Isang type lang siya ng chicken. Isang, feeling ko, same siya ng pagkakaluto and we have different sauces kung gusto naman natin ng ibang flavors. So, tama na nga yun. Tikman na nga natin. Dami sat-sat eh. Okay, let's try the flat wings. Meron tayo ditong buffalo sauce. Buffalo sauce. Look. Very consistent yung sauce. Right? Aww. Medyo spicy and creamy. I don't know about the buffalo, pero I like this type. Kasi medyo spicy siya. For me, it matched the chicken. It's delicious. Though dry yung chicken natin, pero pag dinip mo sa sauce na to, it's really good. I like spicy food, kaya siguro biased din ako sa spicy. Pero, promise it's really good. Wala, I really like it. Kain muna ako. How do you eat your wings? I'm really eating it to the bones. Like this. Walang matitira. Masarap! Hindi ko ma-explain kung sarap kasi medyo spicy siya. Pero feeling ko mas masarap pa to kapag niluto yung sauce mismo dun sa chicken. Pero since siya, bilao, you can design or you can dip your chicken.
Bilao.
Bilao. You can dip your chicken based on your liking.
I think they call it party wings.
Yeah, it's party wings. Bilao in Tagalog. Akong kailangan Tagalog. Mang maramihan kasi good for, I guess, 3 to 4 person or 5.
Ilang piraso yan?
Do I need to count it? It's 30 pieces actually, based on their flyers or posters. Later, I'm gonna show you. I'm going to link their Facebook page din sa description below. Kaya, check nyo natin. Our next is the soy garlic. Soy garlic. So, ito is soy sauce plus garlic. Literally.
You bet.
Look. Kung yung buffalo sauce natin kanina is consistent, thick siya actually. Yung soy and garlic natin hindi siya masyadong thick. So let's try it with our drumlet or drum stick. Wow! It's well cooked, right? Wala kang makikitang blood. May mga ibang wings kasi minsan na dry na nga, hindi pa luto masyado. So, this is actually good. Let's try it! Come on. How was it? Kala ko soy garlic. I thought it would be salty and garlicky.
It's sweet.
It's actually sweet. It's actually sweet. So, yun. Hindi ko malasahan yung garlic. But still good if mahilig ka sa sweet type of sauces. Right? Actually, match din siya sa chicken kasi yung chicken, kapag solo mo siyang kinain, medyo maalat siya. Not that maalat, pero yung breading nung chicken is nalalasahan mo siya talaga. So, kapag minix mo siya dito sa garlic, which is kind of sweet, balance lang. I like it. Okay, let's move on. The teriyaki. Kapag sinabing teriyaki, ano yung teriyaki? Stick kind of sauce. Ako yung soy garlic is sweetie type. Ito kaya. Get some bite. Bite lang. Kinuha naman na niya. Walang konti.
Baka hindi ko bet eh.
Wala, ang laki. Akin to mamaya. Sa kanya. Tago ko na. So, kainin muna natin yung mga drumlet natin. Wow. For me, I like the chicken alone.
Bakit?
Sobrang consistent nung teriyaki. Parang hindi na siya balance or hindi na siya match dun sa chicken. Ayun. Let's try it again. May ibang lasa yung teriyaki na hindi ko ma-explain.
Teriyaki naman, pero hindi lang siya ganun.
It's teriyaki naman. Before natin to i-try, inom muna tayo para malinis naman yung palette natin. Palette. Big word.
LOL!
Palette. So, I'm excited ako sa milk tea kasi it's been a long time since nag-milk tea kami. We have a collection of milk tea kasi. So, if you want to check it out, just visit my page. It's on the description below.
Segway ka pa.
Ha?
Wala.
Ano?
Segway ka pa.
Bakit ang kontrabida mo? So, first on the list is the Okinawa. Oh, hindi ako nagmumura. Okinawa. Before natin tikman. Check muna natin yung packaging. Kasi it's an effort eh. It looks like an...
Like Macau Imperial.
Ayun. Macau Imperial. Sabay siyang corona. Yun.
Corona ba yan? Bakit kaya yun?
Come on. And their logo. It's very cute. Right? It's cute, right? So, ayun. Ang cons lang kasi nung packaging na to is kapag yung lalamove kapag nagpa-deliver ka, madali siya matapon. So, I suggest sana magkaroon sila nung ibang packaging kapag for takeout. Yung improvise ba? Para pag takeout, it's convenient. Hindi natatapon yung laman. But the packaging is good actually. It's nice, especially yung logo. It's a big thumbs up naman sa packaging. A for effort. Effort. Sarap. Una, yung pearl. Hindi siya matigas. Malambot. Plus, may lasa yung pearl nila. Sa mother pearl kasi matabang. And matigas. Sorry. Oh, I like their pearl. Milk tea flavor. It's more like makrimi siya. Pero nandun pa rin yung tea flavor niya. Tea taste. Okinawa. It's Okinawa. Cheers! Cheers for Okinawa! Try Try mo din. Wala akong COVID. How was it?
Yeah, masarap yung pearl.
Oh, see? I told you. The pearl is very good. Actually, let me just share with you guys kasi pinadala nila to na wala pang yelo para mas ma-maintain yung lasa. So, it's up to us kung dadagdagan pa namin ng yelo or hindi. Ayun. Na-maintain nga niya yung lasa. Hindi siya yung matabang, hindi siya yung super tamis. Pwede pa namin dagdagan ng yelo. Ganun. Kasi pwede mo siyang dagdagan based on your taste. Bahala ka, ganun. Pag ikaw kasi naglagay ng yelo, mas matapansya mo yung lasa. Next! Sabi niya, cheesecake. Cheesecake ba to? Pero I guess it's chocolate kasi nakalagay sa niya.
Mukha bang chocolate? Mukha bang chocolate yung isa?
Dark chocolate to. This is a chocolate. Double check na lang natin naman. Anyway.
Chocolate yun.
Tikman na lang natin para malaman. Okay? Mix. Wow. That looks good. Dagdagan natin ang yellow. Yeah!
Ano?
It's like a chocolate cheesecake. Cheers. Try it. Sarap, diba? Masarap. Andun yung flavor niya. Andun yung...
Lasang cheesecake.
So, it's cheesecake. It's a cheesecake. Chocolate cheesecake, I guess.
Hindi ko kasi malasahan yung chocolate. But siguro with chocolate. Chocolate cheesecake.
Chocolate cheesecake. Chocolate cheesecake it is. Ma-creamy, no?
Cheesecake.
Okay, next is the dark chocolate. Based sa flavor niya, malamang dark. So, kaya maitim.
Based sa flavor.
I mean, since yung flavor niya is dark chocolate, so, as you can see, it's a dark thingy. Badoy.
Joke ba yun?
Ang badoy ng joke mo. Para sang chocolate.
Alam mo?
Nakakulang na sa pagka-dark. Nag-expect ako na mas mapait ng konti. Anong say mo?
Ano yung chocolate siya?
Hindi siya dark.
Ano bang kapag dark chocolate? Mapayat.
Medyo mapait for me. Kaya nga siya dark eh. Ikaw yung mahilig sa chocolate, so tell me.
Oo nga, kapag dark chocolate, mapait. Pero
Diba?
kasi kapag milk tea rin, tas mapait, parang hindi naman siya
Match.
match.
So, sakto lang.
Deep naman yung flavor ng chocolate niya. So, okay.
Okay lang.
Go!
Ay, sorry. Okay. Welcome back to our...
Anong welcome back?
Welcome back to our... Wala, TV show. So, time to try our powdered salted egg and sour cream. Salted egg muna tayo. Ah, ganda.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi na ako nagsalita.
Ano yun? Nakaka-speechless na.
Ang sarap ng chicken eh. You got me speechless, Josh. Kasi compared sa tatlo, wala siyang kick, wala siyang punch. It's just a soft touch. Para ka lang niyang,
Baduy.
So, ayun, wala siyang punch, wala siyang kick. It's just a perfect balance with the chicken. Kaya hindi ako agad nakapagsalita nung natikman ko siya. For me, ito yung pangalawa sa best sauce na natikman ko. You agree?
No.
Why?
Yan yung first ko.
Wow! Sorry. Wow! That's a big wow. Pag sa Food Wars, yung parang mapupunta ka na sa langit. May mga soft cottons and all. Whatever. Move on with our starting. Taste it. Unang bite ko, medyo nalasahan ko yung sweetness. I don't know, pero sour cream to, diba? Stop right there. It's not a sour cream. It's a garlic parmesan. Medyo matamis. Madam, can you try it?
Matamis nga.
So it's not a sour cream, it's a sweet cream. Kidding. But it's a different touch compared dun sa salted egg. So yun pala yun. Yeah. The richness and sweetness from the garlic and taste from the parmesan made the chicken wings back with deliciousness. It's like, it's smooth. And it's so good. This is my number 2 favorite MSG sauce. I just hope they'll soon to have garlic parmesan beef sauce next. That's it guys for 5 flavors for our chicken wings. So just a recap, my number 1 favorite flavor is the buffalo. Meron siyang kick ng sourness. And of course yung spiciness. Tapos medyo creamy ng konti. Best part is the spiciness part. Second is yung salted egg. It's just a perfect balance with the chicken. May speechless ka talaga kapag natikman ko siya. Just like what happened to me. So, third is the sour cream. Fourth is our soy garlic and sorry teriyaki. But you're the last. But at least the chicken is good. Pansin nyo naman, 30 pieces to pero konti na lang natitira. So, we still have foods for breakfast. So, for our number 2 and number 3, salted egg and sour cream, ang hindi lang okay sa kanya is yung kailangan mo pa siyang ibudbud dun sa chicken mo. Pero, when it comes to taste, it is better compared the two, the teriyaki and the sour garlic. For me. Take note. For me. For our milk tea, I like the most is the Okinawa. Cheers to Okinawa. Perfect blend kasi yung tea and yung cream or yung milk niya. And of course, yung pinaka best part is yung pearl. I like the pearl very much. Second is the cream cheese. And the dark chocolate. And another plus factor is, if you haven't noticed, this is not an ordinary bilao. It's actually a plastic and you can reuse it. It's good for the environment if you're going to reuse it. I know. It's reuse, recycle, and reuse again. See?
Reuse na. Ayan, reuse again.
See, it's really good. It's really beautiful. I can use it for my for my vegetables when I'm cooking. Really have a good packaging for your chicken. Don't throw it away in garbage, okay? It's a perfect thumbs up.
You mean big thumbs up?
It's a big thumbs up. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it, guys, for our Misha snack bar. So, if you want to try some,
Ayan, liberal party.
no, I'm not kidding. Shut up. So, if you
Matagal pa election next year.
so if you want to check their Facebook,
Ayun ka mo na. Kulang eh. Ano ba?
I love your chicken wings, Misha. Misha snack bar. MSB for short. Okay, I'm ready. So that's it, guys, for our Misha snack bar food review, chicken wings, and milk tea. If you want to check their Facebook page, just click the link on the description box. Overall, guys, their service is good. Grabe, napaka-responsive ng owner. Mabait. Food is good. So, it's a 4.5 for me. What about you, madam?
3.8.
Gumawa pa ng butal. So, guys, for their prices and offers, here it is.